Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to our sanctuary for health and wellness. Today, we are going to unwrap a topic that I find absolutely fascinating and incredibly important: the surprising link between your sleep and your overall health, and even potentially your weight. So grab a cozy spot, take a deep breath, and let's dive right in. Obviously, especially right now with our busy lives, sleep can often take a back seat. But did you know that sleep is as critical to your health as what you eat and how you move your body? It is absolutely essential. It is our body's complex system that enables the magic of repair and rejuvenation. All of that repair happens when we are resting, especially when we are getting a fabulous night's sleep. Now, a good night's sleep helps you balance your hormones. These are the hormones that make you feel hungry or full. That's right. I'm talking about ghrelin and leptin. With too little sleep, your body makes more ghrelin and less leptin. What that does is it leaves you hungry. But the challenge is not for usually healthy food. It increases your appetite, often for less healthy food choices. Now let's talk about insulin, the hormone that controls our blood sugar level. A sleep shortage can cause your body to use insulin less effectively. This leads to unhealthy weight gain. It leads to type 2 diabetes. Now just know that I believe health does come in every size and every shape, and no matter what our size and shape is, we want to be healthy. We want to have a healthy amount of insulin. We don't want to be on medications and diabetes, right? So sleep is crucial, whatever size you are, to be able to connect to a healthy size and shape. Now, the link between sleep and our health is evident when you look at all the studies. People who sleep fewer than 7 hours per night are more likely to have high blood sugar, higher levels of diabetes, higher levels of obesity compared to those who have adequate rest. I will also say not only people who might be in the obesity range, but even thin people who are at a scientific average weight have higher levels of health issues when they get less sleep. So what can we do? Number one, we can start creating a sleep sanctuary. You want to make your bedroom a place for peaceful slumber. You want to remove electronics that emit blue light that can disturb your sleep cycle. You want to invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows and clothing. You want to have blackout shades. You want to do everything in your power to get the best rest you can possibly receive. You also want to establish a sleep routine. Ideally, you want to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This is going to help regulate your body's clock and can help you fall asleep and stay asleep for the whole night. Raise your hand if you would love that, to wake up as if you have had the best rest of your life. Now, lastly, before we wrap up, I want you to remember this, friends. Sometimes the weight that we need to manage isn't the weight on our bodies. It's the weight on our calendars, the weight on our schedules. So you want to make sleep a top priority, even more important in some ways than our food and our exercise, because it's how our body is resetting itself. It's when we have an opportunity to heal and to repair all of the toxicity or the damage going on throughout the day. So in closing, I hope you found this enlightening. Sleep isn't just a period of rest. It is a pillar of wellness. So take care of your sleep, take care of yourself, keep your health and your wellness in beautiful balance. Thank you for sharing this time with me. Remember to love yourself, nurture your body, and cherish your sleep. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, sweet dreams and be well. Now, if you've loved this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this with friends or family, and I look forward to connecting with you very soon.